Hi, Andrei here from Fourways Review, and as you can see, the cats and team are working hard in the background to do some paving for Ark Animal Centre. And I'm here with Tracy from Ark Animal Centre, and I just want to ask about what are your guys' plans for this?
So what we've been doing is for a long time now we've been working on opening up the walk path to the puppies so that they can bring their dogs and they can come here and they can spend the day and have a picnic and just have a day out. So we needed picnic areas because we haven't had that. So that's what the plan was today. And as you can see, this was just burnt ground earlier on. So this is now a picnic area. Over there we've got like a little lover's nest over there that was also built. It's hidden out there. Fourways Review is now doing a lookout deck over the dam. So we're starting to actually just get these little areas where people can come and spend the day. So we're hoping to launch it soon. We'll let you know. So that's what we've been doing up here. Then down at the bottom what we've been doing is people have been giving the puppies cuddles, they've been taking the dogs for walks, so they've been fetching the dogs, coming up, doing the trail along here, getting all the dogs out. I found this year people have wanted to spend more time with the dogs. That's what they really needed. So we've had a lot of people doing that. And just a lot of going on. It's been quite nice.
Awesome. And so you were saying people are doing stuff down there, so it's just been basically walking dogs,
playing with the puppies,
and
socializing, just.
And is there anything else beyond that you would like?
Do you know what we are pushing is we want to become more community based. So for people to come here, just spend time. They don't have to come and adopt. It's not that you can only come here when you adopt. So come here, spend time with the puppies. Start meeting other people. We've got a lot of community students that are here on the weekends, and just come here and enjoy yourself.
So there we go. We're Ark Animal Centre calling on the community to get more involved and to spend some time with them.